viewers, welcome to this program. Now me, your boy again. This is Jomes Media. Now we be the guy who they run the thing. In case I don't forget my name, I don't forget my name. My name now that guy, aka Sabi boy. So now so the thing they go. I carry some matter can't give on here. More I can't tell on as things they go. Just as we did one before, I believe so on know. So the good thing is say, wanna subscribe for this thing. Then make una press the like and all those things. So if we upload this thing, when I go to get waiting with the show. And at least every week when I go to get some gist now from us, from Nigeria, from Ghana, from Cameroon, all those levels they have to go to pour for now. I know it in day. So get one thing where I want just this one for now. Carry on go Nigeria and go tell una how this level they be. Because last week I did there. It gets some kind level when I see I not just get this level. So the thing they make me feel somehow say either na me they make mistake or na people they manufacture the drink then they make mistake. Think on they confuse me. But na anything sit down like this with my guys, thinking how they enjoy, they cruise this anything. Before I know, be like how they feel headache. One mind they tell me say now make I go peace. This thing can they wonder me, I not gonna understand, I confused. But my brother, if you see how this anything that they manufacture for Nigeria, you go fear. Because the one what they take for here now, what they take for here, please when I know how the thing they go, now wait for yonder and I know how they go buy anything, I go take small, you go feel and say na Hennessy they take. But this Africa one, if they take they get as if they be, can't they do me tutorial for body like this? I say na drink and they drink, I be na waiting the song. So I not gonna understand that, but when I can't find that, one of my friends can show me this level, how they take the manufacture and the scene for Nigeria. My brother in short, you go fear. So they say Buhari. Get some of our people for Nigeria say we need to package themselves, we need to package them, make them tell us how this thing they happen. Because for Nigeria, everybody want hammer. Everybody want hammer. Nobody wants suffer, say want suffer before you go reach that level. No. Everybody want just collect. All of the eye open. They find where they want collect. When me say reach there, sometimes I even remove shirt, wear singlet, make I behave like them. May not be like say the thing they funny. So this some level I want to show now. Show now this video now. Mona for sales they take the package and they sing for Nigeria. They put label. They do it for somebody backyard though. Somebody backyard need this thing for the happen. They go package this and they see put label, carry and come. I go see big boys from Nigeria go put and they see for table, go see buy and they see 100,000, saying they enjoy. My brother, if they confirm what those people they drink, you not go too like. And so what it did now be say, I carry on and go see the video. Wanna see how the thing they be. So this now the video. Now go straight, watch the video. If we come back, then we'll continue for the next level.
Been able to discover another what I would call manufacturing company. This is where they manufacture Hennessy. This is Hennessy VSO. Jesus Christ. In their numbers. See? Look at the rubber they used to fix it. The team of Anambra State Task Force in collaboration with NAFDAC have been able to intercept another factory where these products are being adulterated. This is ESCO. These are products. These are products. These are products.
This guy is a big man. You know the big students, the kingpin. You know this small thing to the kingpin.
So my brother, welcome back. Hope when I don't stay at the level they be. So now so the bill for Nigeria. Anybody they drink, anything they drink, may they take care. They check that thing where we did, especially this drink where they make sure all those things. Sure, man, not talk about the thing, and it's not be bad drink, but more na they careful for you on the drink. I know the advice so now that you like to drink, you not like to drink, everybody day in lane. You understand? So now I want to take on go on that side again. Now this one be saying. Now the man and the wife and another man. I don't know as I talk the story. You know, say children they watch this thing. So I go put them in a way so that we na adult, na man, woman, where they watch this thing. Now know as the thing till they go. Now we use on a sense till they calculate the rest. The children they look on now they not go know waiting day. Help come get children and make her they talk like this. So we go this place now. I get some men they cheat. When they say cheat, they like to konobi. You know that kind of thing. They go con, no that kind of thing. A man go con, just konobi the thing, just come by, just claim it as if nothing happened. I be man or I get wife, I know they do that kind of thing. But now everybody wait at the talk. The thing they mostly with men, but women say no the day easy, because now them make this thing they happen. If the man want to konobi, the woman lock up like this thing not go happen now. Waiting go make it happen. So sometimes the blame they go to the men. But if we check the woman side too. You see, this problem of women don't take when it starts. So anyway, we will not talk about Bible. Shall we all know how we take eat this fruit, where this level take happen? So apple have been a fruit, so I know it's how they talk. So now so the thing be. So now I be say, get those things, think on the get as it be. The man don't do the economy. In husband come the suspect and say, man, what did they happen? What did they solve? My wife not they do like this for now. Don't they work out correct? The man come the monitor and they follow and before you know, you come carry and go around corner as they enter. The man say making the wrong thing like this, not the husband. My brother, if you see the video, you not go like her. See where grown up man just go down, come they beg, I beg, not show my face, I'm married. You know say you don't marry, now they do that kind of thing. And they ask questions on a men, and even they ask the women, they are not all of them stay there now, they suspect the men, say that men. On a matter, I know so on a matter self still they want to come meet on a two. So I won't make on go watch this video first. Mona say some men take they fuck up, take they make mistake. The short before you go know you go destroy your home. They go say na village people, my village people, not be village people. Now I wish your cucumber let you stay one place. This thing for not the solve. So now one carry when I go this video, Mona just watch and a very short video. Mona sweaty they happen for our land now. Mona start to go. So Mona go straight and I watch this video. Then when we come back, we will discuss this thing well. And then I go face the women small. Cause this thing, yeah. They watch and they talk to you too. Now they cause this thing. So when I watch this video first, if we come back, then the next.
I know. I said,
we have a right to do yourself.
I have the right to do everything.
How many do you know?
I can kill you. I can kill you now.
I understand.
You don't understand. Do you know anything? Do you know anything?
Please, Daddy.
You don't know anything.
No, AJ, no.
Yo, so when I don't say now, when I don't say the thing, it come like say the thing can they make me even the verse. But hoping I don't watch the video, don't come back, say the level be. So what thing happen now be saying next time now women I won't talk about because these women them and then they cause this thing. I wish that woman respect herself. This thing I'm not sure say maybe for happen or maybe the man come, he come tell and say, man, wait till the work, you know say I don't marry, wait till the solve, go meet your wife. That man go get sense. But the way the women they do, and maybe as the man come, they say, man, how far and I can't they touch you. You self, the way you they bend, they do, but you know that kind of thing. Now the thing they will be men now, and I know it's how they talk about. So the women next time, no matter what can talk. So as it be like this, so I hope when I enjoy this program, hope when I see the videos and everything. So we bring more for now every time. Now so the thing they go every week. Make sure say we give on this small video. Take when I take the cash code, the fee it, everything together. You know, understand? So now so the thing they go instead of this idea, because then lockdown like this. So now we go to make ourselves they happen. Or this lockdown not to affect us for this side. And also for Africa, the lockdown not they exist again. We will still bring more stories, tell now about those stores where they happen for that side. So now so the level be waiting be day now be say Mona subscribe, not forget, because tell us Mona subscribe, Mona no verse now beg at the bego. Mona subscribe for this thing. Just press that button, subscribe, then give us like. So more program go to show, and I go to get down, I go to see as things they go. For Jomes Media, we go give on enough loading, we go fire on, we go give on tell on how the thing they go. So I greet you all my brothers and sisters. See you guys.